ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa and his wife, Women's Affairs Minister Monica Mutsvangwa, have suffered a significant political setback after their preferred candidate, Mrs. Sadc, lost the second time in the race for the Manicaland Women's League chair. Zanapenda mashoko onyaswa kunzi aiwa vana Mutsvangwa panguva ino in their camp. Aiwa, it has been crushed and defeated in Manicaland. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timina mnamobuda nyukwabzinzi. Dorothy Mabika, backed by Women's League boss Mabochino Mona, secured a decisive victory in the rerun held in Mutare on Sunday, garnered 23 votes against Sadc 16. The results has been hailed as a win for Chinomona's faction and a major blow to the Mutsvangwas, particularly Monica, who had personally lobbied for Sadc's candidacy. ZANU-PF National Political Commissar Mnangagwa, who presided over the election, declared it peaceful and successful, with the outcome now awaiting political endorsement. Mabika pledged to work for unity and women's empowerment, while observers noted a triumph was also symbolic of deeper shifts in power dynamics. The election was a repeat of the April 6 vote, which had already seen Mabika trounce Sadc in a reported 29-1 landslide. That outcome was later nullified under pressure from the Mutsvangwa-aligned camp, triggered Sunday's rerun. Despite these efforts, Mabika prevailed again, this time under stricter party oversight. A confirmation memo from Chinomona, copied to top officials including Secretary General Obet Mpofu and the defeated Sadc, has since formalized the Mabika's appointment as the substantive chairwoman for the province. This double loss underscores the holding influence of the Mutsvangwas in Manicaland, a province once considered one of their key strongholds, also hit hard by the defeat in ZANU-PF's Legal Affairs Secretary and Mutsvangwa ally, that CHAMISA, who yet reportedly backed Sadc behind the scenes. Reacting to the initial outcome, Christopher Mutsvangwa launched an attack on Information Minister Jennifer Mswere, accusing him of announcing Mabika's initial win prematurely and violating party protocol. In a furious letter, then Mutsvangwa complained that only his office had the authority to speak for the party, exposing his desperation to control the narrative. But insiders say the outrage masked a more personal defeat, a collapse of the Mutsvangwa faction's grip in a critical province ahead of the ZANU-PF next elective congress. This is less about procedure and more about the politics of survival, a senior party official said. The Mutsvangwas have been outmaneuvered. Mashwaruda panguva ino kuchinkonza ava Mutsvangwa zvaendwa havasina kana any say, havasina kana any support. Panguva ino pachinokonza the party is heading to the congress. Vanakomesa section medu dzimafungiro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiro ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.